I added 1 tablespoon of this kitchen ingredient to my soil, and what happened next was nothing short of incredible, and by the next morning, the microbes didn't just wake up, they exploded. The soil came alive in a way I'd never seen before. Let me show you the yeast trick. This is a method gardeners have quietly used for years but few talk about. Yeast is older than agriculture. It's been a companion to humans since the dawn of civilization. Humans use it for bread, for brewing, and for countless recipes in the kitchen. But soil microbes treat it like an all-you-can-eat buffet. To them, it's a feast that jumpstarts the entire underground ecosystem. And when you add it to soil the right way, you're not just feeding the yeast, you're feeding an entire community. You activate bacteria, fungi, protozoa, the entire soil food web, all working together in harmony, faster than almost anything a gardener can buy. No store-bought fertilizer can match this natural boost. This is Dirt Decoded. I'm the soil doctor. Let's break down what really happens when you feed soil yeast. The science is fascinating. Yeast is a living organism. It's a tiny powerhouse, invisible to the naked eye. It eats sugar, and when it does, it releases carbon dioxide, B vitamins, and compounds that other microbes pounce on instantly. This process is what sets off the soil's transformation. Here's the real plot twist. Yeast doesn't grow fast in soil. It's not the star of the show for long, but everything else grows fast by feeding on it. The yeast is the spark, but the microbes are the wildfire. That creates a chain reaction, a domino effect that supercharges your soil. More bacteria, more fungi, more predators, more nutrient cycling, better roots. Your plants feel the difference almost immediately. It's like flipping on the soil's on switch. Suddenly everything is working at full power. When you brew yeast correctly, you'll see bubbling. That's the sign you've activated the magic. That bubbling is carbon dioxide, a sign that the soil booster is alive. It's proof that the process is working. When you add that to soil, the microbes treat it like a buffet opening. They rush in to feast and multiply. The soil warms slightly. Root hairs multiply. You can almost feel the energy beneath your feet, and within 12 to 24 hours you can measure higher microbial respiration. The soil literally breathes more. This isn't myth. This is biology doing what biology does. It's nature's own technology at work. Here's the overnight microbe booster formula. You need 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon brown sugar or molasses, and 1 liter of warm water. The warmth helps the yeast wake up quickly. Stir it and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours until it's foamy on top. That foam means it's ready to go. Then dilute that mixture into 10 liters of water. This step is crucial for safe application. Apply it at the base of your plants or on your compost. Both will benefit from the microbe boost. That's enough for 1 raised bed or several fruit trees. You don't need much to see big results. But here's the big warning. This is where most people mess up. Don't skip this part. Never apply yeast undiluted. It's too strong for the soil on its own. Straight yeast can consume oxygen in the soil, which stresses or even suffocates roots. Always dilute to protect your plants. And don't add too much sugar. That causes fungal slime. Too much sugar throws the balance off. Stick to the ratios. Precision matters here. This is soil science, not kitchen improvisation. Treat it like an experiment for best results. Here's what you can expect over the next few days. Soil becomes softer. Nutrient uptake increases. Leaves get deeper color. Root systems expand. Plants look healthier and more vibrant. Compost heats up noticeably. That's a sign of increased microbial activity. You're not feeding the plant. You're feeding the life that feeds the plant. And that's the real secret behind thriving gardens. This tiny organism can transform dead soil into living soil overnight. It's a transformation you can see and feel. That's the power hidden in your kitchen. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful. I'm the soil doctor, and this is Dirt Decoded. Like, share, and subscribe to keep your garden growing smarter every week.